It's his birthday. We're here to celebrate.
All right, so we have already entered the park. Ed is thoroughly overwhelmed. There are characters all over the plaza, and he just wants to see them all. He just said happy birthday to Goofy. Gelatoni and Duffy are over here, and he is beelining it for Chip and Dale. But in the meantime, we've gotten the questions answered about DAS. We know what to do. We went into guest services. Everyone is so very helpful, and we're excited to be in the park. But Ed's actually running.
It's a celebrity. Look, it's Clarice.
It's Gelatoni, your favorite. It's a kitty cat. And Duffy's back there.
I'm so overwhelmed.
Duffy! Alright, so that was the best character palooza ever. I mean, we were just hanging out with Clarice and she all of a sudden kidnapped Ed and tried to make Chip and Dale jealous.
I love when they're just out.
And this is just in the entry plaza here at DisneySea. I mean, that's the entrance right there and right there. We're just in the plaza here. We haven't even really gotten into the park yet.
Right there, let's go.
And it's Duffy's 20th anniversary, so everything is rainbow for him coming up. And all right, we need to go in.
Let's go, let's go.
I can't even begin to tell you how much we both love this park.
That's outstanding.
I mean, it's Imagineering at its finest. And I think I've said this before, but I saw the models when they were building this. And the very first time when I walked in, I was like, every mark that was on the model, on the mountain up there, the damages to the fort across the way, they're here in real life. Like, it's being in a real life model. Ed should know I'm a nerd by now.
Oh, I know.
All right.
I know.
20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, I think, is our first stop because it's going to close later this week. So we're going to go check it out now.
Okay, good.
The park is decked out for the event.
Look how cute that
It's
is.
so cute. This whole section over here in Mediterranean Harbor is all decorated for Duffy and his friends, and everyone's doing photos. It's so cute.
We should take it home.
The whole wall.
Take the whole wall.
All right, we're taking the wall home. Okay, we got our DAS set up for Ed, and we got our first attraction reserved for 20,000 Leagues. Coming up here in a few minutes.
That's really deep.
It is.
Yeah.
And we decided while we're waiting for our return time, we're gonna come get one of our favorite snacks, the gyoza dog. It's the best.
Yeah, okay. I don't remember exactly, just I remember I really liked it.
You're taking the first bite then.
All right.
Okay, they call it a gyoza dog because it's shaped like a hot dog. But basically what it is if you think of a steamed dumpling, it's got that kind of pork and spice meat in it, and it's just in a bao bun that's in a long hot dog shape. It's so good. Wow. This is just the walkway to the elevator to go back upstairs. It's so weird and spooky, and I love it. So this park does have a lot of stairs and things like that. You just have to keep an eye out. The ramps and elevators are well marked, but they're not always obviously visible if you're not looking for them.
Yeah.
So,
second floor.
he agrees.
All right.
Ed just said, we can't go down into the water. We don't have our swimsuits.
Yeah.
Well, it sounds like you're gonna get wet anyway then.
Oh, no.
No, we're going in a submarine. We're about to pass. This is the submarine right here.
Oh, I know how to swim. I can swim.
But you don't have to swim. We can go in the submarine.
I'm going to swim anyway.
Lord help me, it's going to be a long week.
これより下船を開始する。
Okay, this is magical hand washing.
Wow.
Whose castle is that, Ed?
It's Ariel, right there.
That's where the mermaids live.
Yeah.
So we just got off of 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. The one thing I love about all the rides here at Tokyo Disney, a lot of them are in Japanese. I had no idea what went on.
No.
But it's so much fun, and it's so good, and it doesn't matter.
No, it's amazing. Yeah.
All right, now we're heading towards Ed's favorite ride to date so far. Sinbad. It is basically, it's a small world with an actual story to it, wonderful music, beautiful scenes, and smells that smell so good.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
Yeah.
Heading to Arabian Coast. Ed, your favorite ride's only a 5-minute wait right now.
Here we go.
We're sure gonna go. Ride is so good. We didn't take you on it this time. Ed and I decided to enjoy it together when we realized how much we've been through since we last got to ride that ride. We both got teary-eyed on the ride.
I cried. And I cried because it was my favorite ride. And I thought I'd never get to see it again. And
Well,
that I wouldn't be alive to see it again.
You are. Here we are. You're doing it. And this used to be the very back of the park, Ed. And now there's an entirely new port of call. You ready to go check out Fantasy Springs?
Yeah, I need some upbeat.
Yeah.
Yeah, no more crying.
We'll go visit Rapunzel maybe? Oh, Peter Pan? Feels so good to be back, and I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, this is just the entrance to Fantasy Springs. It is unreal, from like renderings and models again to seeing it for real.
I don't know if you can tell the characters here.
But we were just showing there's Peter Pan, Rapunzel, Anna and Elsa.
And the scale is massive.
Yep, they're huge.
Yeah.
This is really cool.
Yeah.
For reference, this is an attraction and not a restroom. All right, we just placed a mobile order for some food while we wait for our return time to Rapunzel. We're gonna eat it. Snuggly Duckling.
Oh,
because I have a dream.
Yeah.
Is that the right? Yeah, is that the right song?
It's okay.
Is it close enough?
They're all really drunk, and that's fine by me.
This restaurant is so cute. I love it.
Also, there's so much seating.
Oh yeah, we only got back to like the second dining room, and there's more behind it. But even the tray, like, come on, Snuggly. Look at this.
I'm looking.
I'm blocking it all.
There it is.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, there's Ed. That's cute too. It's my little Snuggly Duckling. It's my shrimp burger.
I thought I was your snuggly duckling.
I'm hungry. This is my Snuggly Duckling right now.
All right, let's see.
Oh, it's got a little tail because it's a shrimp burger.
Oh.
Aww. Let's see how it is.
Now go kill it.
Look at that.
It actually smells really good.
Yes, it. Wow. Okay. This is so good. I love all of the food here at Tokyo Disney. This one's great. Ed's gonna love it. Come on.
theming is crazy.
Look at what Rapunzel painted for us. I can't get over this.
It's just beautiful. I don't know if you can see way back up there.
Oh, I already went and took a look around here.
All
It's
over. It's
so cool.
beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah.
The theming here is so cute.
Yeah.
I love it. But we got a little bit of time before your return to see Rapunzel and her Lantern Festival. You want to go check out Neverland for a few minutes?
Okay.
All right, let's go check out Neverland.
You know what I like? The clouds. That's a really nice little detail. Oh, look.
All right, it's our time for a Lantern Festival.
Yes. Awesome.
Go see what Rapunzel's doing today.
I don't think you can tell. It's very immersive. The
Oh,
whole
yeah.
space is huge. Yeah.
Okay, this might be my favorite part of Fantasy Springs. This Neverland side is so cute.
Yeah. It really is. Everywhere you look.
There's just something to look at, something
Yeah.
silly. It's
Yep.
it's very like the child in all of us. And right over there, I can see Tiger Lily's village.
In the middle of everything, we walked by and Jason got so excited because for some reason there's roast beef popcorn. All right, so now we have it. Let's see.
I have been wanting this since I heard about it. A little fairy told me it might be delicious.
Me?
Tinkerbell. That is amazingly weird. I'm not even sure how to describe it. Ed, you just have to try this.
Wait, tell me, does it taste like roast beef?
No? Okay, let me say this. It tastes like a Sunday roast. It's roast beef, like a roasted beef. You just have to taste it.
Okay. Yep, that is roast beef powdering.
Do
Here,
you like it?
You have some.
Both of us are blown away. We just got over to this part of the park, which is by the Fantasy Springs Hotel.
Right.
I'm floored. I mean, we have to walk around. There's all the original, like, Disney characters with their fountains and such. Sorcerer Mickey's right behind me. You want to go check him out?
Yeah, yeah,
All right,
yeah.
and we're just waiting for our return time right now for Peter Pan's Neverland journey.
Yeah.
And Elsa just came out. Literally, Elsa is walking through the park right now.
She didn't even say hi. That's so cold.
Oh, she gave you the cold shoulder, Ed? The frozen shoulder? All right, Fantasy Springs, I mean, it could be a theme park in and of itself.
Yeah.
But it's about time for us to go see Peter Pan and travel off to Neverland.
Oh.
But we just did, well, no, we didn't do too bad. We did damage in the store and got ourselves our souvenirs, but you know, the typical Christmas ornament thing. And we tried to refrain otherwise, but
So far.
yeah, this is the
Day
theming.
one.
The theming here, I mean, I just want to buy and take the whole park home. This is
That's expensive.
This is to Arendelle. It's so cool.
Yeah.
All right, Neverland.
Let's go.
Well, unfortunately, Neverland was never gonna happen today. Right as soon as they put us into the pre-show, the ride went down.
It's all right.
It's okay, we got a multi-experience pass, but we also hit a wall, and we're both needing a break for some caffeine. Food, Ed's falling asleep. Food maybe, so we're gonna go take a little break and see if we can recoup, or if we're going back to the hotel for a little bit.
It's to the end. It's to the end.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Ed's not doing so well, is he?